I can't believe what I'm seeing! A colossal creature has clawed its way into our world!
The massive Imperium signature from this demon. Why does it feel so familiar? By God's will, you will go no further.
God's will? You and I both know that God does not speak.
I see. Instead of rebuilding an army over the last 4,000 years, Lucifer infused all gathered Imperium into the single monstrosity, one capable of combating an archangel. Raziel, we thought you perished in the ancient war, but you saved yourself to the Dark One. This is blasphemy.
He gave me something you never could. Freedom!
Freedom. You're a puppet and a fool! You deserve the same fate as Lucifer, to burn in hell for eternity.
Michael, please allow us to help. We don't know what this abomination is capable of. With our combined light, the dark tide of the hell shall be abolished.
This is no mere demon. It's Raziel.
No! Raziel? I saw him fall in the ancient war.
A system needed, man. You will not. That's exactly what he wants. If Michael cannot defeat this beast, we certainly cannot. And at no time in history of creation has any demon been able to combat an archangel. Lucifer is up to something.
I've waited thousands of years for this day, Michael. To see the Imperium leak from your wounds and rule over Lucifer's promised land.
You've been corrupted by the seven sins and are blinded by darkness. Allow me to show you the light. Quel lustifragor!
Siva verum datam.